Download Parivartan app and learn complete syllabus from standard 5th to 12th of Maharashtra State Board.
Hello everyone, welcome to the next video of Learn English with Priyanka. This is going to be fun today because today we are going to learn types of sentences along with special emphasis on the complex sentence. So, what is it? What are the types of sentences? Types of sentences are simple sentence, compound sentence, and complex sentence. I repeat, simple sentence, compound sentence, and complex sentence. So let me show you an example of what is a simple sentence. Okay guys, so you can see on the screen here that somebody says something to you that is rude or designed to hurt. Such kind of sentence is called as a complex sentence. So, why it is called as a complex sentence? Here, there can be two parts of it. If you separate the that is from it, somebody says something to you. This becomes an independent sentence. And what is it like? If you ask that, you get the rest of the answer. That is rude or designed to hurt. Okay? Such type of sentence where you have something like that is, because of, such type of things, it is called as a complex sentence. If you see sentence number 3 here, offer no resistance. This kind of sentence is called as a simple sentence. Bas, there is just a noun, there is a verb, and it's a complete sentence by itself. You cannot separate this sentence. You can never break a simple sentence. Okay? So again I will repeat, offer no resistance is a simple sentence. Okay? So offer no resistance is a simple sentence. Now, what is a compound sentence? Compound sentence is where there are two sentences which are joined by a joiner. Joiner is something like and, because of, due to, etc. But the two sentences can be separated as a simple sentences. Okay? So we'll see what they are. Okay? So this is there again. So here I can show you this. Whether somebody says something to you that is rude or designed to hurt, I said that it is a complex sentence. But if I replace this that is with an and, somebody says something to you and it is rude and designed to hurt. This that is gone, and instead of that I put an and here. Okay? Then somebody says something to you and it is rude and designed to hurt. If these two sentences are joined by and, you get somebody says something to you as the first part of the simple sentence, and the rude, it is rude and designed to hurt as the second part. This is called as a compound sentence. Now we'll go for the complex sentence. Okay? Complex sentence is very, very interesting. In complex sentence, you will get so much of data that it is going to be too much fun to use it in life. Okay? Look at the first sentence here. Make peace with your past so it won't disturb your presence. Can you separate this? Make peace with your past. Yes. But the second part of it, so it won't disturb your present. This is not an independent sentence. So this kind of sentence is a complex sentence. So again I will repeat. There are three parts of the sentences. simple sentence, compound sentence and complex sentence. Now the same lecture in Marathi and Hindi mix. सेंटेन्स मध्ये 3 प्रकार असतात. देयर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. ये तीनों पार्ट कौन से हैं? तो ये तीनों पार्ट है सिंपल सेंटेंस, कंपाउंड सेंटेंस और कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस. ओके, अब सिंपल सेंटेंस हम किसको बोलेंगे? सिंपल सेंटेंस उसे बोलेंगे जिसको तोड़ा नहीं जा सकता. एक एग्जाम्पल देती हूं मैं, आप देख लेना. देखने के बाद बहुत अच्छी तरह समझ में आता है. यहाँ पे जो ये थर्ड सेंटेंस है, ऑफर नो रेजिस्टेंस, इस सेंटेंस को आप तोड़ नहीं सकते, इसलिए ऑफर नो रेजिस्टेंस ये एक सिंपल सेंटेंस है. यहाँ पे दैट इज फॉरगिवनेस, यहाँ पे दैट ये पहला है सब्जेक्ट, फॉरगिवनेस ऑब्जेक्ट एंड जॉइंड बाय इज अगेन सिंपल सेंटेंस है. इसमें सिर्फ 3 पार्ट होते हैं, 2 नाउन होते हैं और एक वर्ब होता है. नहीं तो 2 ऐसे वर्ड्स रहते हैं जो जॉइन टुगेदर रहते हैं तो वो सिंपल सेंटेंस नहीं होगा. ओके, अब कंपाउंड सेंटेंस क्या है? कंपाउंड सेंटेंस में अगर मैं ये पहला सेंटेंस लूं, somebody says something to you that is rude or designed to hurt, यहाँ पे मैं that की जगह and it is अगर करूं तो वो and it is designed to hurt and rude जो पार्ट है वो एक पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस है, एंड somebody says something to you ये दूसरा पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस है, और दोनों भी इंडिपेंडेंट है, joined by an and over there. उसको बोलते हैं कंपाउंड सेंटेंस. 2 इंडिपेंडेंट सिंपल सेंटेंस एक साथ जोड़े हुए विद समथिंग लाइक बिकॉज ऑफ एंड एटसेट्रा. ओके, अब कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस, वही सेंटेंस दोबारा देखिए. somebody says something to you that is rude or designed to hurt. यहाँ पे somebody says something to you अकेला सेंटेंस रह सकता है, but that is designed और that is rude or designed to hurt ये अकेला नहीं रह सकता. ये रीजन है फॉर द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस. जब भी कोई चीज रीजन है फॉर द पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस तो उसको कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस बोलते हैं. ओके, तो इस लेक्चर में फिलहाल इतना ही. हैव लॉट्स ऑफ फन एंड आई होप इस लेक्चर में फिलहाल इतना ही. हैव लॉट्स ऑफ फन. आई होप दैट तुम लोगों को बहुत मजा आए इंग्लिश लर्न करने में. अगले वाले वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे कि कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस के कौन से क्लॉज होते हैं. चलो मिलते हैं अगली बार. प्लीज लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिए. विथ लर्न इंग्लिश विथ प्रियंका.
Download Parivartan app made by Super Excellence Academy to watch more curriculum videos.